In my last video, we talked about Gen Z and how they're challenging norms. But that got me thinking, what about the labels we have carried all our lives? We grow up inside an identity. বড় ছেলে, ভালো student, শান্ত মেয়ে, অহংকারী, বেয়াদব, American, Bangladeshi, rebel, shy, loud, mom, leader. We grow these names like they're our skin. But have we ever asked ourselves, who am I without it? কোনোদিন একলা ঘরে আপনার কি সত্যি মনে আসে না আমি আসলে কে? Maybe we choose our labels. Maybe somebody gave it to us. Maybe it protected us. Maybe it didn't. Either way, do we have to carry it forever? What if I took off the name, the label, the role? Who would I be? আমি যদি একদিন কিছুই না হই, মা না হই, মেয়ে না হই, বেয়াদব না হই, অহংকারী না হই, লিডার না হই, তবু আমি কি থাকবো? সেই আমিটা কে? You don't have to answer today, but sit with the question. Who are you when you're not performing? When you're just you, no tag, no label. Let's talk all about it this Sunday. Until then, let this question sit with you.